If you find my video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.
All right, today I'm going to show you how to replace a three-way rocker switch. As you can see, this one's becoming defective and it's not staying in. So we'll go ahead and get this one replaced. First things first, we're going to turn off our breaker so that this light goes off, and then I know that there's no power to this switch. All right, so I have my breaker labeled so I know it's breaker 8. All right, and you can see that the lights are off and they don't turn on when I move the switch. So first things first, we got to take this cover off, and we do that by popping a screwdriver right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Some light covers will have a faceplate like this. Others might have a screw or a screw. So now once you get that faceplate off, you're going to have this little screw and this little screw hold this faceplate on. So let's go ahead and take those two little screws out next. All right, so we have that faceplate off. Next, we'll take out this screw and this screw that go into the box and hold the switch in place. We'll take that switch out. All right, so we have that switch pulled out. We have our two black wires coming in, one up top, one down low. And we have our ground here. And then our red is our communicating wire to allow us to be a three-way switch. So we just need to leave all these wires in the right orientation and undo all of them and leave them basically in the same spot. So let's undo all these wires and we'll leave them in the same spot. We'll hook up the next switch. So now we have our new three-way switch. So let's go ahead and orient it in the same exact way. Top up, top wire here, bottom wire here. Red on the bottom, green goes to the copper. So let's get that all hooked up again. All right, we've got top and bottom black wires hooked up, red wire hooked up, copper wire hooked up to the green. Let's go ahead and get our mounting screws back in through here and through here into our plate here. Next, we put our mounting plate, make sure that you have it oriented with that arrow facing up, and that goes right here. All right, last but not least, make sure that this again has the top indicating up. Go ahead and put that on. It should just click on, click, 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 click. All right, breaker's back on, and this is one of the switches of part of the three-way, so that one works. And then this is the switch that we replaced as part of the three-way, and now that one works. It's a lot smoother. So hopefully that explains how you swap out a three-way switch. Hopefully you like and subscribe.
If you find my video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.